Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE RANGETOP GLASS ASM, BK, part #WB62X20903. GE RANGETOP GLASS ASM, BK, part #WB62X20903 is a replacement part for a GE RANGETOP. It is a black glass assembly that fits on the top of the range and provides a smooth, easy-to-clean surface for cooking. The part includes the glass top, 2 brackets, and 4 screws. This part is designed to fit specific GE models and may not fit other brands or models. It should be installed by a qualified technician in order to ensure proper installation and operation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement range-top glass assembly for a general electric range. It can be used to fix symptoms such as a cracked or broken range-top glass, or if the range-top glass is not properly sealing. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power to the range-top. 2. Remove the screws that secure the range-top to the countertop. 3. Carefully lift the range-top off of the countertop and set it aside. 4. Remove any screws that are securing the old glass assembly to the range-top frame. 5. Carefully remove the old glass assembly from the frame and discard it properly. 6. Place the new glass assembly into position on the frame and secure it with any screws that were removed in step 4. 7. Place the range-top back onto the countertop and secure it with screws from step 2. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.